Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get $75,000 small business grant step by step. Remember that right after this video, I'm coming up with 8 more small business grant videos, and also I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that all videos, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload those videos for you. And please like this video, it helps the channel grow and it tells us that you guys really support us. So thank you so much. I'm not gonna stretch this intro a lot. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So yes, this grant is finally for Massachusetts. I have received a lot of requests from all of you that hey, please show something for Massachusetts. Do you have any grant for it? And right here in front of you, here's the small business grant for Massachusetts. I already told you that I'm going to review every grant right now available in every state, and this is a series on Credit Viral channel, so please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon because we are uploading videos back to back and I don't want you to miss any video which will allow you to get the business grant for your own business. So right here in front of you is the Massachusetts Growth Capital Corporation, right? And this is the phase 2. Remember, most of the states are already done with phase 1 and now they are going towards phase 2. Now the application closing on November 12th, so I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description, so please click on it right after watching this video because I'm going to give you the tiniest detail that you need to know in order to apply for this grant, and you already know that grant means free money. I'm going to tell you what's the eligibility, how you can fill the form, and what are the perks, and of course the details that how you can actually get it. So the first thing, let's get into the eligibility. Well, there are 4 phases of this small business grant and we are going to review each and every. So it depends on how big is your business or how small it is. If you have 5 or fewer employees, you are going to get $25,000 free money. Believe me, this is grant and you don't have to pay a single penny back, and this is what I love about these things. You know, the pandemic came and it came with a lot of opportunities, and Credit Viral always gives you the best videos and the content that you need to see in order to apply for these grants, loans, and other sort of benefits from government. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon and give this video a big thumbs up. So now let's go towards the second one. Well, if you have 50 or fewer employees, so what it is, if you have 1 or 5 employees, right, you can get $25,000. But if you have 5 to 50 employees, you can get $75,000. Isn't it crazy? And that's free money for you, right? So right here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it and what are the eligibility criteria, right? I'm not going to get into these things because these are the same things, but the most important thing that what are the eligibility criteria, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need, right? So when you scroll down onto this channel, you need to click on this apply to small business grants for 5 or fewer employees. If you have 1 to 5 employees, or if you're only employee in your business, you can still apply for it. Remember, 1 to 5, and when it comes to 1, you are the only one. So don't let this opportunity slip away from your hand. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. The business must have physical establishment in Massachusetts. So if you have business in Massachusetts, you're good. That's your first requirement and you're good to go. The business must be for-profit entity, sole proprietorship, corporation, cooperative, or LLC. So it cannot be non-profit. If you have business for-profit, means if you're in the market for profit only, then you are good to go. You can get this money, free money. Again, grant is free money. You don't have to pay a single penny back. So the third one is business must be able to document a lost income equal to greater than requested assistance due to pandemic. So right here, of course, I know that 99.9%, actually I should say 100% business are affected with pandemic. So if you have a business and it has been affected by pandemic, then you can always tell them. And you know how you can do that? I'm going to tell you a secret trick. For example, that you give bonuses to your employees, and this year you cannot give them the bonus because of the pandemic. So you can actually show them that, hey, I actually paid them from my own pocket, or actually I was unable to pay that, so I need the money to pay them, or whatever. If your business is affected in any way, can get this grant. And you know that there are a lot of tricks that you can use in order to do that, but be honest with it. I know that you guys suffered, your employees suffered, so please be honest. Never lie on the application. I'm telling you, because it is connected with your career and in your business as well. So please, right? So let's go towards the next one. The business must be currently operated, or if not operation, must have intent to reopen. So if your business has been closed, it must have the intention to open. So you must have the intention to open in order to get this grant. So remember that. So the next one is business must have been established prior to 6/30/2019. So when it comes to this, June 30th 2019, if your business has been established prior to June 30th, then you are good to go. Right now, the next one is business must be in good standing with the state or city town. Of course, if you have a business, it's always in good standing unless you do something really crazy, right? So, and of course, business must be current on all taxes. You have to pay all of your taxes. And then if your business require a license or registration, then it has to be valid, right? So the ineligible businesses are right in front of you. I'm not gonna get into it because it will stretch the video a lot. So you can actually read it, but believe me, it's not that big of a deal. If you have a liquor store, or of course if you sell firearms, then of course it's a problem for you. Other than that, you are good to go, right? So when you come right here, you need to scroll down and you need to click on either of it, whatever your business is about. But I'm going to click right here on apply to small business grants for 5 or fewer employees. As soon as I do that, this page will open. This will tell you each and everything again in detail. I'm not gonna get into it. It's gonna stretch the video a lot, right? So you can read it. The link is in actually video description, so you can click on it and you can open this, but right after watching this video, because I'm going to tell you a couple of more amazing things. When you scroll down, right, you need to click on the create your account, and as soon as you click on it, this page will open. So you need to sign up. As soon as you sign up with your email address, password, and of course first and last name, as soon as sign up, this will give you a form. You will fill that form, right? But first they will actually send you an email to confirm your email address. You click on it, you will get a form, and then you need to fill that form, submit it, and then they will grant you the money, or you can say small business grant, in next 48 to 72 hours. So 48 to 72 business hours, so keep that in mind. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. And right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. And also remember that there are 8 more videos coming for small business grant on Credit Viral channel. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, and also please support us by liking this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.